In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get unlimited free traffic to any website using a free traffic network. I'm going to show you step by step how I do it and how you can do this too on a daily basis. It only takes a couple of minutes, and doing it every single day is going to start bringing you free traffic to your website, to your links, to affiliate links, whatever you are promoting, advertising. It's going to start bringing in traffic, and you're going to see the spike in your traffic generation. So if you have been struggling to generate traffic and you don't want to invest into traffic generation, you're just looking for free ways to get some traffic, watch this video right to the end, because I'm going to show you how I do it and how you can start doing this too. So let's dive into this video. I'm on a network called Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is a network with thousands of affiliate products and digital products you can promote, and it's free to join. If you haven't joined Clickbank, I highly recommend you join Clickbank, because with Clickbank you can promote hundreds of products and even thousands of products. You just want to choose one niche, one product, and stick to it until you start making sales. As you can see here, I'm in the Clickbank marketplace. If I come here, they have categories and subcategories as well. You can see here in the e-business, they have article marketing, blog marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. If you go to the home and gardens, you will find some more products, different type of products down here. So you want to choose a product and then you want to promote that product. But I want to show you my way of doing it, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's talk about the free traffic first. Okay, so the free traffic that we're talking about down here is called Instagram. Now, Instagram is very, very powerful, and Instagram, you can generate traffic, you can create a successful internet business from scratch, and you can do so much cool stuff. If I go to my profile, I want to show you my profile. So you can see here, this is my profile down here. I have a profile here, and then down here I'm targeting the e-business and e-marketing niche down here. Okay, so whatever product or niche you are targeting, your profile has to match that product and that niche. Remember that it's very, very important that everything is congruent. You can't have a profile down here related to home and gardens, and then your reels and your post on your Instagram account is all related to health. Everything has to be targeted and everything has to be congruent. So let me show you what I mean by that. So if I come here, you could see here, if I come to my reels down here, because my targeted niche is e-business, e-marketing, this is related to motivation, laptop lifestyle, attraction, affirmation, etc., visualization. So that's why I do create similar posts similar to this one. So you can see here, I created a reel similar to this one. Then I created a reel down here. You can see here starting to get some interaction down here, and I'm going to show you how I do this. Okay, so what I do is I create these posts using a free tool and a free software called Canva. So if I come here and I just click on this, you can see here, all right, so I'll come here and you can see here, this is the post that I posted just 2 days ago. Okay, so this is what I posted 2 days ago. So you can see here in the background, if I just move this, you can see in the background there's a guy with cash, and he has a mansion, he has cars. You can see it's a millionaire lifestyle, all right? And on top of that, I just put this millionaire quote, okay, this whole quote on it, and then I just posted this onto my Instagram account. I turned it into a video, all right, with a bit of background, someone talking, and then I posted it onto my Instagram account. Now you can do this using free tools like Canva. Okay, so if you come to Canva, you can create a similar post just like this and put some text on it and then just post it. Now remember, because my Instagram account is related to e-business, e-marketing, and it's a broader niche, then this relates to everything like make money online, affiliate marketing, affirmation, laptop lifestyle, etc., etc. So I can post anything related to that just because it's e-business, e-marketing. But if your Instagram account is more specifically to home and gardens, health, then you can't post something like this. You will have to come to Canva and create a post, something related to your niche. So you can have a background. For example, if your Instagram account is related to dieting and health and fitness, then in the background you could have some like kind of dieting tips or dieting pictures, okay, and then in the text version you could put something like 7 tips to lose weight in the easy way, something like that. Okay, I'm just giving you an idea. If your niche is on Instagram account is related to home and gardens, then in the background you could put like a shed plan or a garden plan or anything like that, and then you could put some woodworking text, pictures or images, something like that down here, and just write it and post it. This is how you do it. Okay, so you get your Instagram account specifically targeted to one niche, one product, and then you want to lay everything within that niche to make it very, very targeted, and then you want to post on a daily basis. For the first couple of weeks you want to post at least 2 to 3 times a day, so for the Instagram account algorithm to pick everything up. And then once you start doing that, the Instagram is going to start giving you some boost. You're going to start getting viral, start gaining followers, and then people are going to come to your profile and they're going to click on your link here. Now this link could be your website, link could be your affiliate link from Clickbank, okay, or it could be something more congruent to Instagram as well. So if you want to actually turn your Instagram account into 1,000 followers and you want to turn it into a money machine, then there is an Instagram course on Clickbank which you can, if you want to buy it, you can buy it, and you can also promote it as well. They pay 75% commission. This is an Instagram course that teaches you exactly step by step how to turn your Instagram account into an internet business machine, and how you can become very, very successful with Instagram. So you can purchase it yourself if you want to learn more about this. Not just that you're going to get the course, you're also going to get 6 exclusive bonuses with reseller license, which means you will able to sell it as your own course and earn 100% profit. And if you don't want to purchase it yourself, you just want to promote it and earn 75% commission, that's also fine. You could just come here, get your affiliate link and start promoting your link, start driving some quality targeted traffic to your link, and every time someone purchases the product, you will make a potential sale and a commission of 75%. They also have a view affiliate page here, okay, where you can find all the resources and tools to help you promote this product. Okay, it's that simple and that easy. Okay, and it's a congruent product to Instagram. So for any reason you don't have anything to promote, you don't have your own website, or you don't want to promote anything more specifically, then you can promote this product on Instagram account because it's congruent. So every time someone comes to Instagram and sees that link, they're going to say, yeah, I want to actually learn how to become successful on Instagram account. Now, when it comes to becoming successful on Instagram, it's nothing to do with your niche, okay? It's something that everyone needs, okay? So whether you're in home and gardens, e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, dieting, whatever you're in, everyone wants to become successful on Instagram. So this product is a very broad product, which most likely most people are going to be interested in. Okay, so you can just get your affiliate link and then turn it into a shortened beautiful URL like I have shown you in my previous videos, and then just post it onto your Instagram account. One more question you might be asking yourself, hey, that if I want to have a Instagram account specifically to like motivation, affirmation, or anything related to e-business and e-marketing, this text you have posted is like very attractive and is eye-grabbing attention. So how did you get this text? Where did you get it from? So it's so simple. Okay, if you just go to ChatGPT, okay, and I'm going to show you. If I come here, let me show you. Let me just click on this. Okay, so I just came to ChatGPT and I told ChatGPT here, look what I said, here are 100 long millionaire quotes, and then ChatGPT just spelled out 100 long millionaire quotes for me. So you can see here, these are different millionaire quotes that ChatGPT has given me. So it's so simple and easy. You could do the same as well. Just come to ChatGPT, put in a prompt related to your niche, related to your product, and ChatGPT is going to give you every single idea and everything for you. You just have to copy and paste it into your Canva, okay, and then just download it and then upload it to Instagram. So I just showed you an easy way to get unlimited free traffic using Instagram. Now the key point is that you have to do this on a daily basis. In the beginning, for the first couple of weeks, you need to do it 2 to 3 times a day. Okay. And if you want to promote a proven product that's converting, an affiliate product on Instagram right now, then there is one product that's converting very, very good right now with Instagram, but that product is related to health and diet. So if you are interested in health and diet, then you can check this product out. The product is called 21 days. Okay, so it's a 21-day dieting program that you can promote. Is converting very, very good with Instagram traffic. Okay, this is only if you're going to have an Instagram account related to health and diet. But if you're going to have an Instagram account general related to another niche, then you'll have to find a product related to that niche. And if you can't find anything at the end, then you can just promote this product that I just showed you, which is related to Instagram. Okay, it's a broader niche. Everyone wants to learn how to build followers and get traffic from Instagram. So anyone related to any niche will likely love the product, and most likely, if it's good traffic and it's congruent, you will make a potential sale. Okay, so that's all for now. This is how you get unlimited free traffic using Instagram.